Today I want to share some great work from home jobs that are always hiring to help you find your next remote job so that you can have more freedom, more flexibility, and get back your number one resource, time. If you want more remote work opportunities, then support this channel by making sure you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the number one reason you want a remote job. But let's not waste any more time and let's go. So we're gonna get started with a position called the AI prompt writer. So AI prompt writers create and optimize prompts for AI tools to generate accurate and creative outputs. This involves understanding AI behavior and crafting effective queries for tasks like content generation or problem solving. Now, the average salary for this particular position can range anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 or more, depending, of course, on your experience and your level of expertise. Now, I do want to show you an opportunity from a company called TELUS Digital, which used to be called TELUS International. So they have a position for a prompt response writer, and this position is freelance, is completely remote, and they say that a day in the life of this particular job is you'll be developing, writing, and curating high quality prompts and responses for your specialized domain. That might be science, health and medicine, technology, engineering, or business. And you'll also be reviewing, analyzing, and refining content to meet project requirements, ensuring consistency in tone and adhering to guidelines. One of the great things about this particular position is not only is it remote, but look at the pay rate. Depending on the domain, you can make $35 an hour, $52 an hour, $45, or even another $35 in the business domain. So this is a really high paying opportunity. And you might be thinking to yourself that this is going to have a major requirement to have a degree or to have a lot of experience, but actually the basic requirements are going to be being either a university student or maybe a teaching assistant, and there might be other backgrounds as well. Usually in these jobs, they will accept other backgrounds, so don't think that because you're not a college student that you may not fit this particular role. But if you are, or you know someone who's a college student, definitely share this position with them. But the main point that I want to emphasize is that they're looking for someone who doesn't even have a degree yet. They say that this person could be currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in one of these domains. And of course, if you have a master's or PhD, that's definitely a plus, but you will need strong proficiency in English writing with excellent grammar, clarity, and the ability to explain complex projects concisely. Now, the other thing that they mention is in order to be hired into the program, you'll go through a subject-specific qualification exam that will determine your suitability for the position. But this is a really great opportunity to have a position where you can make up to $53 an hour working with AI, and you don't even necessarily have to have a bachelor's degree yet. The other thing that I want to emphasize is that this is a position in the US, but this company, TELUS Digital, which used to be called TELUS International, has positions all over the world. And if you followed my content before, then you know that I've actually worked for this company. And so I can vouch that they're a legit company. I've been paid by them many times. I've worked since 2018, I worked for this company. And so definitely, if you don't know what I'm referring to and you're new to the channel, check out the other content that I have. I have a lot of content about this company, and I show you my pay rates and the different jobs that I've done for them. So just in case you're thinking that there isn't a lot of opportunities out here for this particular role, another company to check out is Outlier AI. And they have a lot of different jobs that you could do working with AI. For example, I'm on their website right now and they have over 600 opportunities. But a lot of those opportunities, and I actually counted 113 of those opportunities, are positions to be a writer that works with AI prompts. And I wanted to just briefly pull up one of those remote AI writing jobs. And this particular job pays $15 an hour if you're in the US, $11 an hour if you're in the UK, and $20 if you're in Canada, and so on. And they have these different positions for different countries as well. But the great thing about this company is that they provide remote work, flexible hours, weekly payouts, and you can apply your skills to the development of the world's most exciting industry, artificial intelligence. Also, if you are simply looking for a remote job that you can do from anywhere in the world on your time, on your schedule, then I definitely recommend checking out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the #1 site to find remote jobs. There's no ads, scams, or junk. They actually have a team of people that go through each job and make sure that they're not scammy or that they're actually legitimate. And from my experience so far, they really are one of the better websites to check out because they specifically are focusing on just remote jobs that you could do at home. So I've recommended them before. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do. I have a link in the description to do that. Now, another work from home job for you to check out is as a data annotator. So data annotators label, categorize, and structure raw data, text, images, audio, or video to train machine learning models. Tasks may include tagging objects and images, transcribing audio, or flagging specific patterns in data sets. And the average salary for this particular position is anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 or more, depending on your experience and the project that you're working on. So there's a lot of different companies that you can check out to become a data annotator, but one of the more popular ones is going to be dataannotation.tech. So this is a really well-known platform. They've paid out millions of dollars. And if you're wondering about the pay rate and the legitimacy about dataannotation.tech, they actually have a subreddit that you can check out. And on that subreddit, there's one user who said that the average salary is around $500 to $700 a week, depending on the hourly of the projects. They say it's the best paying part-time, no commute, work from home, choose your own hours jobs I've ever had. Is there anything else out there that checks all those boxes? So this person sounded like they really enjoyed working with this company, so it's definitely worth it for you to check them out. Other companies that hire for data annotators are Appen, Scale AI, Lionbridge, Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can also check out other websites like Remote Task, Clickworker, and Toloka. So if you've never heard of these companies before, then definitely make sure that you check out the content on this channel. I've actually worked with Appen, Lionbridge, Clickworker, and some other sites as well. So make sure that you check out that content if you want to learn more. But this is, again, another great opportunity for a remote job that's going to be around and that's always hiring. Before we continue, if you are like me, then you are always looking for a quick and easy way to make a few bucks in your spare time. And that is why I love Survey Junkie. So if you want to make a few bucks from your phone, then use the link below in the description to create a free account and start making money from your couch. You can also check out my Survey Junkie review to see how much money I have made. Another great remote job that's always hiring is virtual assistant. So virtual assistants handle administrative tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, customer support, and social media management. And their roles vary based on their clients' needs. Now, the average salary for this particular role can be anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 or more. And I want to take a moment to talk to you about this particular company that I found called Wing Assistant. So this company actually connects high-profile clients with virtual assistants. So they provide virtual assistants for startups and enterprise teams, and they work with some of the world's most well-known companies like Chick-fil-A or DoorDash. And the great thing about this company is that this is a platform where clients are coming to find you. So you can actually sign up and become one of the Wing assistants on this platform. Really quickly, I wanted to show you that they are actually hiring. They say that they are currently accepting applications for a wide range of remote virtual assistant jobs. All positions are remote and can be served from anywhere in the world, except there are some positions marked as US only. But again, if you're in Bangladesh, India, Mexico, Philippines, the US, or if you want full or part-time jobs, this is a great opportunity for you to check out. And if you have a background in being a customer service representative or a general virtual assistant, they have a lot of different opportunities for you, or if you want to be a medical scribe. So this website looks like it's really, really great. And so make sure to check this one out. And just to give you a quick example, they have this general virtual assistant position that's available, that's completely remote. And the qualifications are just 6 months to a year of experience as a virtual assistant. You have to be at least 18 years of age and have at least completed high school. You just need to have phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills and have worked on tools like Word, Google Calendar. And all you need to get started with this job is a headset, a webcam, obviously a good computer and a good internet access, but that's it. And so this is really a great opportunity for you to check out. So I wanted to let you know about this one. Some other websites that you can also check out for virtual assistant jobs are Upwork, Fiverr, or even Freelancer. Now, another job that you can check out that is going to always be hiring is going to be as a website and app tester. So a website and app tester evaluate websites and apps for functionality, usability, and design. And they provide feedback on user experience and report bugs or issues. Now, the average salary here can vary. It could be anywhere from $30,000 to $70,000, depending on the workload and your expertise. But also you can get paid per test, and sometimes that could be anywhere from $10 to $50 for each test that you take and that you complete. Now, one of the sites that I want to tell you about is called Testlio, and on this site you can check them out and you can apply to become a freelance tester. You can join their Testlio network, and again, they're working with some major brands like Amazon, the NBA, Fox, Microsoft, and they provide global coverage. So that means that you don't have to just be in the US, you can be in anywhere in the world, and they have competitive pay. And so this is really a great opportunity. They say that you can apply as a tester, a test lead, or as a quality engineer. Another great website to check out is UserTesting. Now, UserTesting has been around for a long time and for many times has been the #1 testing site, and they work with a lot of great global brands, and you can actually get paid to test the apps and websites for some of the world's major brands. I've actually worked with UserTesting myself, and once again, I have a video about that if you want to check that out. But it was a great experience. I actually got tests from Amazon, Verizon, and even Samsung, and several other major brands that you've definitely have heard of. They're a great way to make money online, whether that's through their surveys, recorded tests, or even live conversations. So again, this is a great opportunity for you to check out. And some other great companies for you to check out are Validity and UTest if you're interested in pursuing this role. Another great opportunity for you to check out is going to be for an internet safety evaluator. And this position is going to be very similar to a content moderator. And content moderators review user-generated content to ensure compliance with community guidelines. Tasks include flagging inappropriate material, filtering spam, and maintaining platform integrity. Now, the pay rate for this could be anywhere from $25,000 to $45,000 a year. Now, I have this position pulled up from TELUS Digital, and so they're looking for an internet safety evaluator, and they're searching for individuals who are passionate about social media and regular users of Gmail. And this remote position requires ownership and daily use of a smartphone and familiarity with various social media platforms and Google products. So if you have a smartphone and you've used social media and Google's products, and if you have Gmail, this is a position that you can apply for. They say that this role offers the freedom to work remotely, allowing you to set your hours based on your task availability. Now, for this one I pulled up, it's in Spain, but once again, TELUS Digital has a lot of different opportunities in a lot of different countries. I just pulled this one up to show you an example, so make sure to check out that website. Now, some other companies that will also hire internet safety evaluators or content moderators, there's also Mod Squad, Cognizant, and Accenture. So definitely check out those other websites as well. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. So make sure you like, subscribe if you find value and want more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.